How do you turn off all sounds on the Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this. So, of course, the Apple Watch can be delivering to you some notifications with sound or without sound, and you can manage them on individual level by going to the Watch app on the iPhone and getting to the notifications and, playing around with the sounds next to each of them, right? But for more of the blanket solution, you can go to the Apple Watch Control Center and enable the silent mode, which will, of course, turn off all of the sounds on the Apple Watch. And you can also find it in the Watch app by going to the sounds and haptics. So there is the silent mode toggle at the top, and also we have the controller for the ringer below. So that is where you can find that as well. So yeah, of course, you can customize it a bit further if you wanted to. So you can just go to the ringtones below and play around with the different alert types. So you can possibly even choose a bit quieter one if you wanted to, but the sound is turned off anyway. So that's how you can do this. One step which is above that, it would be to enable the focus mode. You can find plenty of focus modes in the control center of the Apple Watch by clicking the moon icon. And for example, I like to use the sleep focus when I go to bed and I don't want to be disturbed by, any notifications or any sounds at all, right? For that period of time, it might be useful. But there are also different focus types, which are, paired with the iPhone ones, which you can find in the main settings app. So you can customize specific features and notifications and all of that if you want to go deeper into this. Now, let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.